Make more money with our affiliate marketing tips. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to earn a solid income from your website, but it can be hard to know where to start. Fortunately, there are many people out there who are already making money through affiliate programs, and their advice can help you get started. Here are some of their tips. Always start with something you know if you're new to affiliate marketing. It is always easier to build a good site if the subject matter is something you're interested in. Try to immediately branch out too much and you'll find the subject matter boring, and feeling too much like a dreaded task. Remember that affiliate marketing should not be looked at as a get-rich-quick plan. Be patient and know that affiliate monies grow with time and effort. Keep your referral links active. There are different affiliate programs, and if one doesn't work for you, look for another one. Affiliate marketing is a great opportunity to gain passive income if you use it well. Affiliate marketing begins with talking to a company that has products that you want to promote for a percentage of the sale. On most company sites you will find that there is an affiliate link that will allow you to ask for permission to advertise for them. Since most companies do not have the time to properly talk about each of their products, they are usually very happy to pay a small percentage for the extra sales. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, only promote products that are relevant to your market. If you advertise products that your customers will not be interested in, you will fail to make any money. Instead, promote quality products that will appeal to your customers and your profits will increase. Although it's a bad idea for an affiliate to act as if they're totally in love with a product, since it turns the potential customer off, it is still wise to link to the company's pre-sale product pitch. As long as you have read the pitch and find it to be tasteful, authoritative and relevant, you should send your traffic there. An affiliate website's success depends on the site's ability of attracting visitors. It is important to encourage visitors to stay on the site and convince prospective customers to visit the retailer's site. It is a good practice to reward returning customers or the ones making larger purchases in the form of a sample product or gift. A great affiliate marketing tip is to design your site in a way that will get visitors feeling animated and willing to buy products from your website. You want your advertisements to be engaging and motivating enough to make your visitors act on their impulse to buy from you. So you see, a successful affiliate marketing program is surprisingly easy to set up. With just a few simple steps, you can get started in affiliate marketing and watch the money roll in. Just remember what you've learned from this video, and before long, you will have your own affiliate success story to share. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.